In this video, I'll show you how to use ChatGPT to plan a weekly meal prep. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving the video a like so others can find it. So before you start your conversation with ChatGPT, there are certain things that you need to know and that you need to answer so ChatGPT can give you the best possible meal prep plan. So you want to make sure that you include in your prompt things like your food preferences, if you have any allergies, what your fitness goals are, how many times a day you wish to eat. A great example for a prompt could be something like this. So plan a weekly meal prep for someone who wants to lose weight, needs 3 meals per day, and follows a gluten-free diet with high protein. So I'm going to go ahead and click enter and see what ChatGPT does for us. So as you can see, ChatGPT just gave us a whole meal plan for the week. It gave us the recipe, the ingredients that we need, and even how to make it. So as you can see, ChatGPT created a full meal prep schedule. It even gave us all the ingredients, the instructions, so you even know how to create all these recipes. As you can see, we even have a shopping list, so we know what to get from the grocery store. So it's really great because you really don't have to do anything else. But let's say that you want to edit this answer a little bit and you want to include something like less protein or more chicken. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do that for us. So let's say I want to include more chicken and quinoa in our meal prep plan. So I'm going to ask ChatGPT to do that. And if you want to further customize your meal prep, you're going to continue the conversation with ChatGPT and just edit things that you don't like or add any other ingredients or foods that you want to include in your weekly meals. And once you're done and you have a meal prep plan that you like, save it somewhere safe and you are going to have an incredible week of meals ready for you thanks to ChatGPT. Hope that helps.